Hello everybody. Now I'm continue talking to you about my best holiday I have ever lived. But at first I have to say that it was no on holidays. It was just on my job because I am teacher and the place that I'm going to talk to you was while I was working. Yes, this is me. This is me, and I'm with the animals. Um. Okay, this place. Um. This place is a farm. But I have to say before that I don't have more photos about this place because at my school it is not allowed to take photos for protection for student protection. But this photo is so special to me because it was the only photo that I have about this place. Um, I told you that it is a farm. It is a farm close to the Santa Isabel volcano, and this place is ubicated in the central mountain range. It is more or less to 3,800 altitude meters. It is so cold. And you must to stay in this place while you prepare yourself to climb the volcano. In this farm, you can find special flowers, animals, clean water, green meadows. It is a real oasis for birds, plants, people. I enjoyed it a lot because after staying in this place, I could climb the volcano with my students. The food was delicious. We could eat fruits, meat, drinking delicious juices, and walking around. And the best was the warm water from the volcano. It is interesting to find cold water and warm water at the same time. It was a little difficult to take a breath because you can't breathe above the altitude of the because of the altitude, but you custom yourself in more or less 3 days. Then you are prepared to climb the volcano. You must climb the volcano in 1 day. It is so difficult. But when we came back, the students and me, we felt all winners. And we celebrated singing, talking about this experience that it was a gift for us, for everybody. And it was the best experience I have ever lived. Thank you so much. And